First thing we're gonna do is dice the onion. Oh God. I'm a rookie, don't judge me. Well, judge me all you want to. I'm still a rookie. Oh. Alright, now we're gonna add them to the bowl. Now we're dicing the tomatoes. Adding the tomatoes. Now I'm dicing the avocados. Now we're going to add a little over 2/3 of a can of Fiesta Kern. Now we're going to add a 15-ounce can of black beans. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. We're going to stir it together. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're going to stir it up some more. Now I'm just going to add a tad bit of Italian salad dressing seasoning. Oops. Now to finish it all up, we're just going to stir it together. Give it a good stir. Now to give the salsa a taste test. Delicious.